I represent Openreach, which is BT's fixed line access business. So we're the proud custodians of the 20-odd million lines and accesses for the UK as a whole. Openreach is a relatively young business, having been formed in 2006 with the mandate to underpin the UK communication providers for broadband services based upon the LLU model. We're now creating what will be the next generation access network for the UK as a whole, using the right kind of Ethernet presented technology. We've created a mixed economy model based upon a common Ethernet presentation of our service to communication providers. And that allows us to deploy fibre to cabinet based upon VDSL, and it allows us to deploy fibre to premise based upon GPON technology, and to deliver those services with a standardised presentation at a head end to our communication provider customers. I think vectoring is a very, very interesting and important technology. What we are seeing right now is that vectoring does offer the potential to support us in operating lines close to the no noise limit for VDSL. That will improve speeds in many cases. It will improve the predictability of speed and the reliability of service that we've delivered. We see vectoring as something which in time will enable us to sustain our speeds as the take-up on cabinets and cables grows. And we see vectoring in time as offering us the opportunity to offer some enhanced speeds. I think G.fast is quite an interesting technology and opportunity. Yes, it's a copper technology. It's a copper technology which runs on much shorter loops, and because it runs on much shorter loops, it can offer some very impressive speed uplift, half a gig to 1 gig or perhaps beyond. I see it as something which has the potential at some time in the future to support much higher speeds, and speeds which are quite complementary to our fibre to premise type options right now. 10 GPON is quite interesting. We built in the WDM devices in our head end locations such that we could make sure that the passive optical network infrastructure we were deploying was properly future proof, i.e. beyond the 2.5 gigabit GPON system to the 10 gigabit 10 GPON system. We think that that will provide our customers, the communication providers, with a solid foundation for significant innovation for many years to come.